So I'm here on my Google Jamboard and I'm going to get you to understand algebra. And to be exact, algebra 1, just the base of it. So let's just give you a basic problem here. So, a basic problem would be, hey, solve for x. Now, here's the equation, so we have the left side of the equation right here, x plus 2, and the right side of the equation, 5. And that's just an equal sign. So this reads, breakdown, we have all these terms, right? So x right here, I just put it in parentheses to make sure that it's its own thing, right? So each one of these is its own thing. So x is just a variable. The plus is just an add, right? The 2 and the 5 are just numbers. And the equal is just an equal sign, right? So what's a variable? Okay, so variable is different than what you're used to seeing. Variable is actually, you can think of as a total number line. So I got 0 in the middle, right? I got a positive numbers on this side. I got negative numbers on this side. But pretty much, I can call this the x number line. And this represents all the possible values I can put in for x. So x could be 0, x could be 10, x could be negative 10, x could be 4, negative 4, or much larger or much smaller. Okay, so just think of it as a set of numbers, but it doesn't matter. We're just going to try to figure it out, right? So there's a certain x value on this number line, right, that makes this equation make sense. So what do? We have a positive, x on the left, and a positive 2 on the left, and then a positive 5 on the right. So to get the positive x on one side, that's the goal, right? Because we got to solve for x or isolate x, right? Everything else has to be on the other side. So if we have a positive on the left, then if I want to move it to the right, it would be, instead of positive, it's going to be negative, right? And then the flip. So it's always this idea of balance. So make it make sense. Make it balance. So it's going to be the opposite, whatever it is. So if it's multiplied on the left, it's going to be divided on the right. If it's subtracted on the left, it's going to be added to the right. So simply doing that, I just know to move it around. And so the equation becomes x is equal to 5 plus negative 2, right? Because it was plus 2 on this side. So it's going to be negative 2 on the right side, which makes it just x is equal to 3, which is actually, bam, your answer. Enjoy.